Today's biggest killer isn't failure. It's distraction. You're not losing time. You're leaking it. Every scroll, every notification steals a piece of your future. Your brain isn't tired. It's overstimulated. You're not out of energy. You're addicted to easy pleasure. Quick dopamine killed your discipline. You don't need rest. You need detox from the things draining. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your habits. Your routine is either your weapon or your enemy. If you don't control your day controls you. Every small slip becomes a pattern. Every pattern becomes your downfall. You compare your life to people who don't even live the life they post. You lose focus not because you're weak, but because you're too busy watching others instead of building yourself. Lock in. Stay still. Stay sharp. Stay hungry. Success isn't about speed, it's about direction.